Hello, myself, Dr. Ghanshyam Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. Today, in this lecture series, we will study about some of the reactions, especially for monocarboxylic acids. This reaction includes salt formation, decarboxylation, and a very important halogenation that is also known as HVZ reaction, Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. Salt formation. Now, like alcohols, carboxylic acid also reacts with electropositive metal and it forms the salt. And these salts are also formed when a phenol is reacted. That means, like phenol, these carboxylic acids also react with the electropositive metals to give a salt. Unlike phenols, this reacts with weaker bases such as carbonates or hydrogen carbonates or bicarbonates, carbonates or bicarbonates with evolvement of carbon dioxide. This particularly is very useful to determine the presence of carboxylic group in any organic compound. Here you can see COOH group directly reacts with the electropositive metal to give a salt. Acid reacts with a strong base or an alkali to give an salt, like similar to phenols. But here it reacts with a very weak base like sodium bicarbonate to give salt. This third reaction is not possible for phenols. phenols do not react with weaker bases. In these two categories, phenols also react with sodium metal or NaOH to give respective salt. But when it comes into consideration of a weak base like bicarbonate or sodium carbonate, phenols does not react. This is the reason why NaHCO3 is used to determine a chemical nature, because acids will be readily soluble in NaOH but phenols will be not at all react. So acids dissolves with NaOH and it gives effervescence of CO2. Now these effervescences are from this NaHCO3, not from acid. So COOH group reacts with NaHCO3 to give the salt, that is COONA plus CO2. So this CO2 is from NaHCO3 and not from carboxylic group. So this particular reaction is useful to determine the chemical nature of unknown organic compound. Next reaction is decarboxylation reaction. Here it is nothing but removal of carbon dioxide. Upon decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, it will yield a hydrocarbon. This reaction is done in presence of soda lime when heated. Soda lime means combination of NaOH and calcium oxide in 3:1 proportion. This reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. Here you can see the carboxylic acid salt in presence of NaOH when heated give a respective hydrocarbon, and Na2CO3 is the byproduct. So removal of COO, CO2, decarboxylation, removal of carboxyl group, carbon dioxide is known as decarboxylation. Third reaction is also a very important reaction for examination point of view, obviously, is halogenation reaction, also known as Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. In this reaction, the acid which has a alpha, mind it, alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen means a hydrogen next to carbon atom. So numbering in IUPAC can be done like this. So this is the carbon which is called as alpha carbon. If this alpha carbon has an hydrogen, so there will be replacement of this hydrogen with a halogen. So alpha substituted halocarboxylic acid are resulted when carboxylic acid is reacted with red phosphorus. This reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Zelinsky reaction. This is the reaction RCH2COOH in presence of X2. This can be a Br2 or and Cl2, fluorine or chlorine, in presence of red phosphorus, and upon hydrolysis will give alpha substituted carboxylic acid, alpha halocarboxylic acid. There is a very big role of this red phosphorus in this particular mechanism. Let us see. Here this phosphorus first reacts with bromine to give PBr3, tribromophosphorus. This PBr3 reacts with particular carboxylic acid to give a propionyl bromide. This propionyl bromide again reacts with Br2, which is present in the reaction, and gives a alpha substituted product. This alpha substituted product will react with unreacted carboxylic acid to give a alpha substituted final product, that is alpha bromo propionic acid, and the byproduct is propionyl bromide, which continuously in cycle will react. This is propionyl bromide will react with bromine or Br2, and the cycle continues unless all acid is converted to an alpha substituted acid. Thank you so much.